Hello friends, I am Shubham Sharma from Toppersnotes. This video is about CA Foundation handwritten notes which are provided by Toppersnotes. Let's unpack this parcel and see what books do we have. So friends, as you can see, you will get 6 books in this set. Let's have a look over the syllabus. So friends, our first book is Stat 6. Let's have a look over the syllabus. You can see here is our index, statistical description of data, topic of median starts from here, theoretical distribution topic starts from here, time series topic starts from here, business correspondence and reporting. You can see here is our index. Our first topic is Indian Contract Act 1872, which starts from here. Active passive voice topic starts from here. Article writing topic starts from here. Business economics and business and commercial knowledge. Here's our index. First topic is basic concepts of economics. It starts from here. Theory of cost and production topic starts from here. Business mathematics and logical reasoning. Let's have a look over this syllabus. And in business mathematics, our first topic is ratio and proportion, which starts from here. Time value of money topic starts from here. In logical reasoning, our first topic is number and letter series. Distance and direction topic starts from here. Our next book is Principle and Practice of Accounting Part 1. Here's our syllabus. Basics of Accounting. It starts from here. Depreciation topic starts from here. Let's have a look at the next book, which is Principles and Practice of Accounting Part 2. Here's our index. Our first topic in this book is accounting for special transactions like bills of exchange. Preparation of final accounts topic starts from here. So friends, if you found this video informational, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. For further details, you can visit our website or the link is given in the description below. Thank you friends.